Ever wondered how to export fruits like mangoes and oranges from Pakistan to another country? Well, it's a seasonal business. The prime period for these exports is from December to April. So, if you're planning to venture into this line of work, remember, the timing is crucial. Moreover, two essential prerequisites are having a buyer for your produce and a registered business in Pakistan. Yes, you heard it right. Without a buyer and a registered business, you can't kick off your exporting journey. Remember, the first step to exporting fruits is finding a buyer and registering your business. Now, let's get into the paperwork. What documents do you need to export fruits from Pakistan? It all starts with an invoice, the format of which is readily available online. Next, you'll need a packing list, a detailed document that outlines the contents of your shipment. Then comes a finance instrument from your bank, ensuring you have the funds to cover the export costs. Lastly, you'll need a phyto certificate for clearance, a document that proves your fruits meet international health standards. With the right documents in hand, you're ready to export not just to Dubai but to any country. Now that you're equipped with the basics and the necessary documentation, let's walk through the step-by-step process of exporting fruits. Your journey begins with a freight forwarder. This professional is your gateway to the shipping company that will transport your fruits. The freight forwarder's role is crucial. They are the ones who will book a special refrigerated container for your fruits from a shipping company. This type of container, also known as a reefer container, ensures your fruits remain fresh during their voyage. Once the booking is done, it's time to accept the freight. This is essentially agreeing to the shipping company's terms, including the cost of transport. Following this, your freight forwarder will issue a CRO or a cargo receipt order, an essential document that confirms your booking. With these steps, you are now ready to start exporting fruits from Pakistan to the world.